Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2016 66 plate Mercedes A250 AMG. Now this is the 4MATIC in a premium model, so the premium gets you the lovely specification all throughout the car, so I'll show you through to that in just a moment. But the A250 4MATIC AMG is a fantastic car. Lovely little hot hatch, producing 215 horsepower. That's through a 7-speed automatic box that delivers power to all four wheels via the 4MATIC four-wheel drive system. But this is a lovely car. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. This is just a two-owner car from new, supplied with both keys. Lovely service history all documented there as well. But a nice car. Cirrus White, I think, is one of the most desirable colours for these vehicles. It matches the exterior detailing, so you get a lot of chrome detailing, a lot of gloss black, and then being that A250 AMG, you get the sporty red detailing all throughout as well. We've got LED daytime running lights, gloss black within the centre grille. We're riding on these 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with the gloss black detailing within the centres. We've got performance red brake calipers just to match those red accents. We've got a full panoramic glass roof thanks to the premium specification, so that isn't something that you normally get on these cars. Coming through to the back, nice sporty lower diffuser, more gloss black detailing with the bright red insert once again. We've got the 250 4MATIC badges, so you know that this isn't your sort of standard A-class. Split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. We've got our parcel shelf. Down here you'll find a bit of added storage, as well as your tyre inflation kit, first aid kit, locking wheel nuts, and also your Harman Kardon sound. That's a lovely factory option which I'll show you through to just a moment. We've got a reversing camera on this one. But then jumping through to the interior, it's a full ebony black perforated Artico leather, perforated in the centres, lovely red stitch all throughout, red sporty seat belts. But the seats themselves, they're in nice order. Inside it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell like it's ever had any pets. The rear seats then again are in fantastic order, Isofix in the bottom for our child seats, 3 seat belts, so comfortable seating for 3. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched, they're in nice order. We've got rear vents, so the rear passengers get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. We've got a 12-volt power outlet in the back there as well. And then just looking through into the cabin, what a lovely place to be. So you get more red accents all throughout, nice sporty flat bottom steering wheel. We've got the tailored floor mats on this one as well. So, jumping inside, being the premium specification, you get the 3-way memory sport seats. So that is for the driver as well as the passenger. So absolutely ideal if you're looking to share this car with a partner. You can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2. Press of a button and that will fully adjust the seat to exactly the way that you want it. We've got park folding mirrors, automatic lights, push button start as well. Now you can actually pop that out and use it as a normal key if you choose to do so. Voice command, we've got all our volume controls, media controls, Bluetooth phones up on there as well. We've got our flappy paddles allowing you to drive the car manually if you choose to do so. Now, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 54,749 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got cruise control and speed limiter. We've got the bigger style infotainment screen on this one as well. So we've got our full satellite navigation, a full FM radio, obviously full media as well, so that includes your Bluetooth phone, clicking through to telephone. You've got your internet and Apple CarPlay as well. Full car settings, Obviously you've got dynamic drive select, so you've got sport, you've got individual, which allows you to change it to exactly the way that you want it. You've got eco and comfort. Coming down to the bottom here, again, premium specification comes through. So we've got our satellite, heated front seats I should say, CD player, all the shortcut buttons for the display, dual zone climate control, central storage, center scroll wheel for the display, both keys are supplied there again, central armrest in lovely order with 2 USBs within there. But a lovely car to have. They drive absolutely fantastic, so if you're flicking into comfort mode and you're just going round town, they're absolutely brilliant. Superb power delivery, really smooth through that 7-speed gearbox, but then obviously switch it over to sport mode and it just becomes a monster. Drives fantastic, grips the road very well, and then obviously the exhaust, you get that nice dynamic sound from the rear as well. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you very much for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.